Hello, cherished viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call back Sandy Home Recipe. Today they can I will show you a video. Remember when you subscribe. Now I share. Now I like it. When me notification I say the video better one Sabeka. And the best I say be Kelewele, Ghana Kelewele. It's the first where you any man I then you be you suno. You were Yamako, you were Jenny, you were Groves, you were Rosemary. Ya wanketenkete ni wudi na eden ebegu ukap wudi gumi na di so kakra eden aka wona fe de wa eden wa bende ama na eden ase etu bende na fi na de fi nchen na wa kore eden o plantain no si yesu body kokko nte yesu tre mo atwitwa nte first ube yi hu ni nyina ansa na eden wa atwitwa Subetwa mu mienu, utwa mu mienu wi a no wa pae mu. Na fe de we de watwitwa ne nketewa. To training the here na eden what they want chin tenchile be use half teaspoon salt na eden what they 3 tablespoon mixed pepper na eden wo blend na eden wo de agum na fe de waka ni na eden afra wo ka ni na afra we pe na wa eden wakata so ama na si wa ma spices na eden akom 30 minutes later na wa eden wakoche wo anwa eden adom ti first wo don captain dey use fresh groundnut wo be che no first we are sana watch then Kelewele no ese sanka tini nyina ya de afia nwan etan se aben we are na watch Kelewele no Tobacco so eden atene said the enshi na ni nyina so de ebebempe. Please remember to click the bell icon to get new video we will post. And today I been na way yefi and when na da kogu tissue paper so ma all you need be eden every mu. Please, if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and also click the notification bell to get new video we post. Now this is our Ghana Kelewele. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.